Jammal and Baba. This is a simple lesson in Orunsha, talking drum beat. I'm gonna play one of the main drum lines in Yoruba. Toun terin ní ó lọ ìtàkùn tó ní kérin má ra lọ. Toun terin ní ó lọ. Allah is the mystical town of elephant in Yoruba history. So, Toun terin ní ó lọ ìtàkùn tó ní kérin má ra lọ. Toun terin ní ó lọ. So it will go like this. Some people will say Toun terin ní ó lọ ìtàkùn tó ní kérin má rodò, but that's a adulterated version. The correct version is Toun terin ní ó lọ ìtàkùn tó ní kérin má re àlọ. So that's it. And when you beat the drum, try not to use excessive power, because if you do, one, you won't enjoy it. Two, you will start developing muscle cramp. So I know some of you guys may have seen the video clips of people banging hard on it. There's no fun in it. Okay? So for you that you're trying to learn how to beat it, you should beat it for enjoyment and for the smoothness of it. It's best when it's smooth. You guys remain blessed. This is Jammal. I'm out.